Now let's look at customizing your classroom. So let's click on the customization button here. And what we can do is we can select different colors for our customization. All right, and then save. You can see here the text has changed that color. Let's change it back to what it was, or we can start looking at how we can change the banner. You could customize this by uploading your own photograph, or you can select a photo from all of the ones that exist here. So if we want to do a math lesson, we can click on this, save as the class theme, save this, then our banner will change to the picture that you chose.